Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our scenic drive through Middlesex County, a charming area in southwestern Ontario. This county is known for its rich history, vibrant communities, and beautiful landscapes. Middlesex County surrounds the City of London, which serves as its county seat. The county has a deep-rooted history. In the early 19th century, it was primarily an agricultural hub. Over time, it has grown and evolved, blending its historical roots with modern development. This blend offers residents and visitors a unique experience that combines the charm of the past with the conveniences of the present. For those who love the outdoors, Middlesex County offers a variety of activities. You can enjoy horseback trail rides, explore sunflower fields, or pick your own fruits and berries at local farms. Additionally, there are several golf courses, parks, and conservation areas perfect for hiking, picnicking, and birdwatching. Cultural enthusiasts will appreciate the county's museums and historical sites. The Komoka Railway Museum, for instance, showcases the rich railway history of the area. Local fairs and events throughout the year also provide a glimpse into the traditions and community spirit of the residents. Whether you're interested in exploring quaint towns, enjoying outdoor adventures, or delving into local history, Middlesex County offers a welcoming and enriching experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching!